So in this GIMP tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to overlay it or how to overlay an image on another image here on GIMP. So once GIMP is opened up, I want you guys to go ahead and add two different images to your design. One of course being a background and one of course being the image that you're going to overlay. And how to do that, go to the top left to where it says file and then press on open and then add both pictures. I'll do that right now. So once that is done, you should have two images here in the top left. I have the Earth from outer space as well as this dog. So we're going to put this dog on Earth from outer space, as fancy as that may sound. So go to the image that you want to overlay over top of the other image, go to the top left here, press on this magic wand tool, and then press on the background. So what you should see here is that your entire background. So for me, this little white area is going to be, so some pictures are a little bit easier than others. But once the background is selected, go ahead and press on select here and then press on invert. That is very important. Now, once that is done, copy this picture. So I'm going to press Command C because I'm on a Mac, but if you don't are on a Mac or whatever, go to edit, press on copy right here. It works the exact same way. Then go back to the original photo that you want to act as your background. Go to the top to where it says edit, and then go down to where it says paste, and then paste as single layer. So as you can tell, my dog is right here. My dog is right here. I'm going to go ahead and put him on top of the earth just like that. And yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Just like that, you've now overlaid one photo on top of another photo here in GIMP. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.